Hi guys, today I'll be reviewing the perfect hair. Now starting with the co-wash, it has a very lovely scent, a creamy texture, and after using it, it made my hair feeling moisturized and soft. I would recommend that you detangle your hair while you co-wash because it has honestly great slip. And if you hadn't noticed, these products are made from natural ingredients, so look out for the expiry date on each vase. And we moved on to the perfect styler, which I also use as a leave-in. The consistency of this product is very thin and lightweight. My hair is used to more heavier products, so after a few tries I established that I needed to drench my hair with this styler. I apply the product from root to ends, and remembering, drench the hair. I ended up with a perfect gel, which is going to give me that extra hold and definition, and I am happy to report that it didn't leave my hair hard and crunchy. So this is actually one of my favorite products in the range. I apply it through my whole hair, and when I'm done I then go on to either air dry or diffuse. And due to time constraints I had to diffuse my hair, but I would definitely say air dry if you can. Once dry, you know the drill. I fluff it out. I love on my curls, which is honestly my favorite part of my whole hair regime. I hope you love on your crown too, because it's absolutely the best feeling in the world. Now these products are available online on The Perfect Hair as well as in your local Edgar stores. Guys, if you have any questions, please pop them down below in the comment section, like this video, and also subscribe if you haven't already. Guys, remember, shine bright and don't let no one dim your light.